What you see here is the GCM8SJ Professional. This mitre saw has a particularly compact design for easy transport and an integrated laser for high precision. The auxiliary handle makes the saw easier to transport, and you can mount the GCM8SJ Professional on the GTA 3800 Professional saw stand in a matter of seconds. The integrated laser shows exactly where the saw will cut on the workpiece, thus offering maximum precision. The starting current limitation ensures a soft machine start, which protects the electrical fuses on site. And angles of up to 58 degrees can be set with the GCM8SJ Professional, which provides a wide range of applications. To work cleanly with minimum dust, you can connect the saw to the GAS50M Professional wood extractor. Top-class precision and compactness, the GCM8SJ Professional.